Hello friends, today we are going to find common factors. And parents, I have uploaded these little sheets into your child's Google file folder, okay? What I do is it's a whole page and I just cut them into strips, and then I use a colored piece of paper and I just make a little booklet with one staple. Children love to do small booklets. So knowing that, then I create these little small booklets and they love to do them. Okay, so here's how we do it in the classroom using our geometric pegboard. And you can use your sheet of paper on which there are circles all over, and you can create your pegboard out of paper and colored pencils, okay? So I'll show you how we do it using this pegboard. So here we go. Let's find the common factors of 6 and 12. So I want to write 6 and 12. Okay, can you see that? There. And now we get our pegs. These two containers. So I'll do 6 on this side and 12 on this side. So I need to count out 6. 2, 4, 6. Let's see, is 1 a factor of 6? One is a factor of 6. I wonder if 1 is a factor of 12. Come over on this side and do 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is 2 a factor of 6? Let's count out 6. 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 2 is a factor of 6. Is 2 a factor of 12? 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12. 2, 4, 6, 8. Did I skip 10? I sure did. 4, 6, 8, 10. Here's 12. Huh. 2 is a factor of 12. Is 3 a factor of 6? 4, 5, 6. Here are 6. Let's see. Is 3 a factor of 6? And remember, a factor means that it makes the number 6 if it's multiplied by another number. Remember, factor. It's the root word for factory. And is 3 a multiple of 12? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 10, 12. Let's see if 3 is a factor of 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 is a factor of 12. Let's see if 4 is a factor of 6. 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 4 is not a factor of 6. So I'm going to take those out. Because 4 is not a factor of 6. I wonder if 4 is a factor of 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whoops, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 is a factor of 12, but not of 6. Let's see if 5 is a factor of 6. 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oh, 5 is not a factor of 6. I wonder if 5 is a factor of 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, oops, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 is not a factor of 12. I wonder if 7 is a factor. Oops, we need to do 6. I'm sorry. Let's see if 6 is a factor of 6. Here are my 6 pegs. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is a factor of 6. Let's see if 6 is a factor of 12. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 is a factor of 12. Okay, now on our last video, when I showed you how to find factors, I let you in on a little secret. Once you get to the halfway mark of any number, there are no more factors. So you saw when I did the factors of 4 and 5, they weren't factors of 6. Well, because 3 is halfway to 6. And so once I get to 3, then the last factor is just the number itself, which was 6. So we have gotten to the halfway point of 12. 6 is half of 12. There will not be any other factors besides 12. So let's do 12. Is 12 a factor of 12? Okay, here are 12 yellow pegs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Look at that. We have some really beautiful colored pegs there that have shown us what the factors are of 6 and 12. So let's write down the factors. I see that we have 1 is a factor of 6, 2 is a factor of 6, 3 is a factor of 6. Oh, I almost wrote 4. Haha, no. And then 6 is a factor of 6. See, let's check. 1, 6 times. 2, 3 times. 3, 2 times. And 6, 1 time. Now let's do our 12. 1 is a factor of 12. 2 is a factor of 12. 3 is a factor of 12. 4 is a factor of 12. 6 is a factor of 12. And 12 is a factor of 12. Let's circle the factors that they have in common. Having something in common means that it happens to both numbers, okay? Like if I have something in common with another person, like maybe 2 people both wear glasses. They have glasses in common. Or if, let's take our school. I have in common with all the other teachers that we teach Montessori. We have that in common. Okay, if your mom or dad is a lawyer and they have a friend who's a lawyer, they have that in common. Okay, so we're gonna circle the common numbers, except for 1. Let's not circle 1 because that's always in common. I see 2 is common. I see 3 is common. And I see 6 is common. These are the common factors of 6 and 12. Okay, now you go and try and choose some of your own numbers. You can choose common factors of 6 and 8, or 5 and 10, or 5 and 12. Do some random ones, just any numbers. Find the factors and see if there are any common factors. Okay, have fun. Bye.